Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about unboxing the Ipsy. Okay, if you haven't gotten your Ipsy this month, what you all need to do is go ahead and contact Ipsy at ipsy.com, go to tracking and track yours, and if it hasn't come, they have a customer service link and you can go to customer service and you will get your Ipsy. Now Ipsy is fun, it's only $12 a month. My little sister got me in on it, and if you love makeup and you really just love to get makeup, you want to get an Ipsy box each month. This is the box I just got, and it actually was kind of open when I got it, which is weird. So I'm going to unbox it. So here we go. It says, discover yourself. Okay, then you open it up, and it has a little card in it, and it just says, oh, hi, Deo. Bye-bye, B.O. Don't wear your Deo. Pamper your pits with new deodorant. And it's 100% vegan. And it just tells you all about the deodorant because they're really trying to get this out on the market. Now, again, just to look and feel younger, which is what my channel is all about, Ipsy's just fun because you can put in all the things you want, but some of the things are great to just get in the mail to pick you up during the month. So when you're feeling low or you're just bored during the month, all of a sudden you'll get your Ipsy and you'll be all excited and happy. And you even get hair products. Like right now I need to go to the salon really bad, and I'm going to be going. I just went and had 2 inches cut off about a month ago, but I didn't go to a good hairstylist. And so when she did the highlight, she used a toner that darkened the top instead of lightening it. And so it took out all the highlight. So I really need to get my hair done. But there's products in here that are great for your hair that smell amazing. So let's take a look at what's in this Ipsy. First of all, I see this cute little bag. Okay, and I didn't order anything extra in my Ipsy. So let's look, let's see what this is. It says refreshments, get ready to jazz it up. There's a little card, show us how you get funky, say refreshments. And this little card is just decals and stickers, so you can pull them off and stick them around your YouTube studio or wherever you want to stick them. I'll put one right here over this little mark. Okay, and I do love silly things like stickers because I was a teacher forever. And this little butterfly bag, yeah guys, this is cute. Look, you can put your makeup in it when you're going out somewhere in a hurry. Okay, so it says Lux 5 Blade Razor Kit. Okay, now I really don't think I need this. I buy my own razors generally, but let's see what's in it. Ugh, it's hard to open it. Okay, first of all, it's very hard to open this box. Okay, I'm gonna open it and slide it out. Wow, this is weird. So you get 2 razor heads, and they're cute. They're purple, and there you go. And then you get a little purple razor. This is really cute. So I'm going to open it, and here's the razor handle. Ah, got a little handle. Okay, and remember, you only paid $12 for this Ipsy, guys. $12 a month. So you're getting that. That's about worth $12 right there. And it has a little handle. So that's the first thing. Then you have your typical Ipsy bag in here. And it says same time next month. Because they're hoping to get the product out to you same time next month. But because of COVID and all this crazy liberal nonsense, it could take a while to get your bag. Okay? It's probably not Ipsy's fault. So you open it up and you got a little bag in here. Just like you usually get. I don't know why I got the extra thing. That's kind of weird. And in your little bag, it says Force of Nature. Okay. And it says April. So this is the April bag. And today is May. So it's really late. And it says 5 skin-friendly superfoods. Avocados, which I eat every day. I make guacamole fresh. Chia seeds. I have a whole bag of those. Sweet potatoes. I ate one for dinner the other night. Leafy greens, and for fine lines, grapes. So it does name 5 things that the spa girl recommends. One thing, you guys, I love to eat is I love to eat avocados, but I have to have them in guacamole with chips. Okay, these are facial radiance pads, and it says they exfoliate your skin, so I will try these. But again, this isn't like my fave. What I put down for Ipsy is I put down that what I really love is I love getting lip glosses and lipsticks and stuff like that. That's the number one thing I use. I do use eyeliner. Even when I go to the gym, I do that. And I always line my eyebrows right along the perimeter, just to give them a little bit more framing for my face. This is a 2020 Oxygen eye cream. So I probably will use the eye cream. It's so tiny, but you open it up and it's like a lotion. Feels good. Let's see what it feels like on my face. Dot it on. Always be really gentle when you put things under your eyes. Just gently rub it. Because as you all know, I had my eyes done and it was a total flop. And what happened to me is I had to live with it and just try to heal my eyes. And my eyes actually were bigger before the eye surgery. So don't get your upper lids done. Just live with it sagging a little bit, because it will actually ruin your eyes and you won't sleep well at night. Because even if you've never had eye dryness in your life, if you get your eyes done, you can experience bad dryness. Okay, so we got the eye cream. Then we got this little tube of Wake Up Call, and it's an age buster thing, and it says it is a, I'll tell you the print. Look how small the print is on these. So it's almost impossible to read it. Okay, but it says it's a wake up call for sure. And it looks like it is a cream. Let's open it up. I can usually tell if it's a cleanser or cream by just opening it. And it has a little seal on it that I have to break. That's when you use your teeth, guys. Okay, no smell. It's definitely a cleanser. Yeah, I'll rub it on my leg. That is a cleanser. So it's a wake up call cleanser for your face. So you got an eye cream, you got a cleanser. Okay, now in my original Ipsy thing, when I was talking about what I wanted from Ipsy, I did not say cleansers. I said creams, but I don't remember saying cleansers, so that's a little disappointing. There's not a lot of makeup in here, because as you know, it costs a lot to make the makeup. Okay, now I got Oriza Beauty Golden Hour Shimmer Eyeshadow. And I normally don't use shimmers. I don't like any kind of sparkle in my eyeshadow, so this may not work for me. But it looks like they are neutral colors. These are the colors. Okay, and these are the size of the tubes you get, and it's Ipsy. They're little, okay? So this is your cleanser, and this is your eye cream, okay? So again, these are samples because they're hoping they'll get you to use it. And there's nothing else in this huge box as I looked. So it came in a really pretty big box. The box probably costs more than the Ipsy. It probably costs almost the whole $12. If I had a product line that I was starting as a spa girl, say it was lip gloss, I would definitely give Ipsy a humongous discount, or even give them free samples to send in the boxes so I could get my name out there and my product out there. It's a great way to advertise and market your product and get it out to millions and millions of women through Ipsy. Okay, it's a little hard to open. This is the Oriza box. It's easy to throw in your purse because, as you can see, this is really little. It's not very big. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Yeah, I already have these colors in an NYX kit. And these colors aren't going to be good for me, because I do use the brown, the dark brown, as a, sometimes I shadow a little bit on my brows here, and just, especially right there, to just make them show a little more. But I have huge eyelashes, so I don't wear fake eyelashes, and most of the time I just use my really good extreme mascara. But these I'm not too thrilled with. So in this month's Ipsy, the only thing I'm going to be honest with you I'm going to use is I'll probably dab a little bit of the eye cream on at night and try it. And the shaver. That's it, guys. This is your spa girl. I will use a little bag. That's your Ipsy Unboxed. Bye.